lamdam asigi angangsingbu khong hamthaduna punsi manggadabadagi kanba ngamnaba Stop Diarrhoea Campaign 2025 hokrai. Diarrhoea na maram oiraga pokpadagi chahi manga fawgi manungda leiba angang sibagi chang asi leiba asigi oina adumak wangli. Hand hygiene amadi sanitation da ahenba mitieng thambaga loinana mama oibi singna angang singbu tha taruktagi tadana khomlang pithak piu haina Health Services ke Director Dr. Chambo Gonmaina thamlakli. State Health Society National Health Mission Manipur amadi Directorate of Health Service Manipur sinduna September 3 fauba chathagadaba campaign asi Imphal gi North AOC da leiba Hotel Imphal da hongdokhi. Campaign hongdopagi thoramadu da Health Director Dr. Chambona campaign asi nationwide campaign gi sarugamoina diarrhea gi रोकथम सफाई और ORS से राखेन आपना ध्यान हाइबा वाखलोंदा चथरी मियाम इसा अमदी आंगांग सिंबु तरु तनाना leiba akoibagi fibam ningthina thamba sida ehenba mitieng changbagi matam oire diarrhoea leina asi mamang chahi singa yengnabada khara fagalabasu adumak checksin ba changi haiki director asina magha taraduna leina asina maram oirga sel thumgi fibam khara fattaba yumgi angang singda yamna hena khudong thiba oiri city da su mama mapa oiba singna khara checksin ba watpadagi diarrhoea na maram oiraga angang kaya adumak khudong thiba nangli diarrhoea gi matang da miyam wakhal tahanba amadi ORS amadi zinc tablet pizanaba leina asi lakshin bangami haina phongdokhi thauramadu State Health Society Manipur State Mission Director Dr. M Dinesh Family Welfare Services ke Director Dr. N Hemant Kumar Health Department ki makok thongba official amadi staff sing Asha worker yauna मियोई क्या सरु याखी थोरमदुगा मरी लेना युमदा ORS मतौ करमना सेमगनी करमना पिथकनी हाइबगी मतंगदा डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन सु उत्खी.
Almost all the deaths due to diarrhea can be averted by preventing and treating dehydration by using ORS and administration of zinc tablets. This is particularly to improve the immune system, along with adequate nutritional intake by the child during diarrhea. So diarrhea can be prevented by exclusive and continued breastfeeding, timely introduction of appropriate and safe complementary feeding, use of safe drinking water, hand washing, sanitation and immunization.